Health Canada has approved a rapid COVID-19 test created by Ottawa-based tech company Spartan Bioscience. The portable cube-shaped device can deliver results within an hour. Hilary Johnstone has the details from Ottawa. So Hilary, what more can you tell us?
Natasha, the approval of this device is seen as being very important because not only is this a rapid test, but it's also a PCR test. And other rapid tests that are currently being used in Canada aren't PCR tests. And those PCR tests are really viewed as being the gold standard in testing reliability. So really important here that we now have these rapid tests approved by Health Canada. The way that this is going to work is that the device itself is quite small. It's the size of a coffee cup. It is cube-shaped, and it comes with a swab. And someone would swab their nasal area. They would then put that swab into this little testing sample tray, and then that little kit is going to go into the cube itself. And the company says that it can produce a result within an hour. And the whole idea here is that they're very easy to use. The company is hoping that these can be used in a lot of different settings, everything from workplaces to long-term care homes, hospitals, and even remote communities. So earlier today, CBC spoke with one of the co-founders of the company. Take a listen.
What is also unique about it is it's very portable. It's the size of a coffee cup. You could bring it anywhere. So you could use it not only in hospitals, you could put it in pharmacies, you could bring it home, you could use it in a remote area. So I think that's what really excited the governments about the product as well. It's easy to store. The sample, the actual kit could be stored at room temperature. There's no freezing or special conditions that are really required to ship the kits.
And the other thing that Spiegelman said is that he hopes that these rapid tests, that they complement the existing lab system that's already in place in many provinces. He views this as really a complement to those existing centralized labs.
Hilary, I understand that there have been concerns with this test in the past.
That's right, Natasha. So just in May, Health Canada actually paused the approval process on this device. At the time, the National Microbiology Lab had cited some concerns with reliability. And what Spartan is saying is that it wasn't necessarily a problem with the device itself or with the chemistry, but rather with the swab it was using. So it used to be using a cheek swab. And what Spartan is now saying is that that swab, the cheek swab, wasn't collecting enough data to give a reliable result. So which is why they've now moved to these nasal swabs. Now, the other thing that's important to note here is that Health Canada is saying that these tests are going to be used by healthcare professionals. So the company has really been saying that these are very easy to use, that they can be used by anyone. But Health Canada here is saying that as part of this process, that it is healthcare officials that will be administering these tests. So important thing to note there. But regardless, the company is saying that it believes that this will be a game changer because these tests can produce rapid results and they can be sent across the country. Natasha?
Hilary Johnstone in Ottawa. Thank you, Hilary.
Thank you.